Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Facebook account on your iPhone. And let's start right in now. To deactivate your Facebook account on your iPhone, first open up your Facebook app and log into the account which you want to delete. I have already logged into my account. Now to deactivate, first log into your account which you want to deactivate. I have already logged into my account. Now to deactivate your Facebook account on your iPhone, after landing over here or opening your Facebook, you can see the menu icon on the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on that menu icon, and on this interface, which is the menu, at the top right corner of your screen you can see the settings icon or the gear icon. Tap on that settings icon, and over here you will be able to see the personal and account information option just on the account category, which is the first one. Tap on personal and account information like this, and over here you can see the account ownership and control. Tap on account ownership and control, and over here you can see the deactivation and deletion available. Tap on deactivation and deletion, and after that you can see the deactivate account option available over here. If you wanted to delete your account, tap on delete, but for now we'll be deactivating our account. Let's tap on deactivate account and continue to account deactivation, and over here you'll be required to enter your password and tap on continue. After entering your password, you'll be successfully able to deactivate your Facebook account from your iPhone. And there guys, this is how you deactivate your Facebook account on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.